Which plant shows reproduction through stolons? A. Strawberry. B. Mango. C. Neem. D. Wheat. Answer. A. Strawberry. Which hormone triggers flowering in many plants? A. Auxin. B. Florigen. C. Cytokinin. D. Gibberellin. Answer. B. Florigen. Double fertilization is a unique feature of which group? A. Gymnosperms. B. Angiosperms. C. Ferns. D. Mosses. Answer. B. Angiosperms. What is the male gamete in flowering plants? A. Ovule. B. Pollen grain. C. Plumule. D. Radicle. Answer. B. Pollen grain. Which reproduction method helps farmers create improved plant varieties? A. Natural pollination. B. Artificial hybridization. C. Fragmentation. D. Tubers. Answer. B. Artificial hybridization. Which plant shows vegetative propagation by leaves? A. Bryophyllum. B. Jasmine. C. Lotus. D. Maize. Answer. A. Bryophyllum. Pollination by insects is known as A. Hydrophily. B. Entomophily. C. Anemophily. D. Zoophily. Answer. B. Entomophily. In which part of the flower is the male gamete produced? A. Ovary. B. Stamen. C. Sepal. D. Stigma. Answer. B. Stamen. Which type of seed dispersal occurs in cotton? A. Water. B. Animals. C. Wind. D. Explosion. Answer. C. Wind. A flower that has both stamens and pistils is called A. Monosexual. B. Bisexual. C. Incomplete. D. Dioecious. Answer. B. Bisexual. Which plant reproduces through corms? A. Colocasia. B. Sugarcane. C. Mango. D. Rose. Answer. A. Colocasia. The structure that forms the seed's food storage is A. Endosperm. B. Cotyledon. C. Embryo. D. Tester. Answer. A. Endosperm. Transfer of pollen from anther to stigma is A. Fertilization. B. Germination. C. Pollination. D. Fragmentation. Answer. C. Pollination. Which method of propagation is used in roses? A. Budding. B. Grafting. C. Layering. D. Cutting. Answer. D. Cutting. What are plants with both male and female flowers on the same plant called? A. Dioecious. B. Bisexual. C. Monoecious. D. Hybrid. Answer. C. Monoecious. Which part of the seed becomes the plant root? A. Plumule. B. Radicle. C. Cotyledon. D. Seed coat. Answer. B. Radicle. Which mode of reproduction allows rapid multiplication of plants? A. Seed dispersal. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Vegetative propagation. D. Pollination. Answer. C. Vegetative propagation. In gymnosperms, seeds are found on A. Cones. B. Flowers. C. Fruit. D. Leaves. Answer. A. Cones. Which plant reproduces through budding? A. Yeast. B. Moss. C. Fern. D. Pine. Answer. A. Yeast. Which agent helps in pollination of grasses? A. Water. B. Animals. C. Wind. D. Birds. Answer. C. Wind. Seed dispersal by explosion is common in A. Coconut. B. Pea plant. C. Wheat. D. Mango. Answer. B. Pea plant. Which structure of the flower traps the pollen grain? A. Stigma. B. Sepal. C. Ovule. D. Anther. Answer. A. Stigma. Which plant propagates via suckers? A. Banana. B. Rose. C. Coconut. D. Pine. Answer. A. Banana. Which reproduction involves only one parent? A. Asexual reproduction. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Natural reproduction. D. Hybridization. Answer. A. Asexual reproduction. Which plant shows reproduction through spores? A. Fern. B. Mango. C. Rose. D. Neem. Answer. A. Fern. In which plant does reproduction occur through rhizomes? A. Ginger. B. Rice. C. Coconut. D. Guava. Answer. A. Ginger. The ovule develops into what part of the seed? A. Cotyledon. B. Embryo. C. Seed coat. D. Fruit. Answer. C. Seed coat. Which plant uses water for pollination? A. Vallisneria. B. Banana. C. Mango. D. Neem. Answer. A. Vallisneria. Why? CH factor is essential for seed germination. A. Light only. B. Water. C. Pollination. D. Fertilization. Answer. B. Water. Pollen grains are produced in which part? A. Stigma. B. Style. C. Anther. D. Ovary. Answer. C. Anther. Which plant reproduces using tubers? A. Potato. B. Spinach. C. Rice. D. Sunflower. Answer. A. Potato. Which floral part turns into the fruit? A. Ovary. B. Anther. C. Stigma. D. Sepal. Answer. A. Ovary. Which reproduction method produces genetically identical offspring? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Cross-pollination. D. Hybridization. Answer. B. Asexual reproduction. Seeds with wings are dispersed by A. Animals. B. Birds. C. Wind. D. Water. Answer. C. Wind. In which structure does fertilization occur? A. Stigma. B. Ovule. C. Anther. D. Sepal. Answer. B. Ovule. Which plant reproduces through offsets? A. Water hyacinth. B. Mango. C. Neem. D. Wheat. Answer. A. Water hyacinth. What type of flower contains only male or only female parts? A. Incomplete. B. Perfect. C. Unisexual. D. Bisexual. Answer. C. Unisexual. Which method is commonly used in fruit trees like mango? A. Cutting. B. Grafting. C. Layering. D. Budding. Answer. B. Grafting. Seedling leaves that store food are called A. Cotyledons. B. Plumule. C. Tester. D. Endosperm. Answer. A. Cotyledons. Which part attracts insects for pollination? A. Sepals. B. Petals. C. Ovary. D. Filament. Answer. B. Petals. Which reproduction method is used in sugarcane? A. Seeds. B. Cutting. C. Grafting. D. Bulbs. Answer. B. Cutting. Which plant reproduces through spores and not seeds? A. Moss. B. Mango. C. Wheat. D. Sunflower. Answer. A. Moss. Which structure encloses and protects the ovules? A. Anther. B. Ovary. C. Stigma. D. Sepal. Answer. B. Ovary. Seed dispersal through animals is called A. Hydrochory. B. Zoochory. C. Anemochory. D. Autochory. Answer. B. Zoochory. Which plant part can grow into a new plant in vegetative propagation? A. Stem. B. Root. C. Leaf. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Which seed dispersal method is used by lotus? A. Water. B. Wind. C. Animals. D. Explosion. Answer. A. Water. A flower with all whorls present is called A. Complete. B. Incomplete. C. Neutral. D. Bisexual. Answer. A. Complete. Which reproduction type requires two parents? A. Asexual reproduction. B. Binary fission. C. Sexual reproduction. D. Fragmentation. Answer. C. Sexual reproduction. Which plant uses tissue culture for mass propagation? A. Orchid. B. Neem. C. Mango. D. Rice. Answer. A. Orchid. Which structure helps pollen grains reach the ovary? A. Style. B. Filament. C. Sepal. D. Cotyledon. Answer. A. Style.